Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As promised in my previous video, in this video I'm going to demonstrate a use case where we can add clickable links to the work notes. So this is from one of my previous clients, and he had this weird request that let's say we have this incident and there are certain child incidents which are obviously visible in the related list on the bottom of the form. So he also wanted that as and when a particular child incident closes, there should be a note added to, let's say, work notes or the additional comments with a link to the child ticket. So let's see how we can do that. So for this reason, I am going to create a business rule first. So let's say when the state changes to closed, I want to add a link to the work notes of the parent ticket. So first of all, I need to get the SysID of the parent ticket, so I can get that by no, current dot parent underscore incident. Fine. Now let's add a glide record to the parent ticket. So it's always a good practice that you give a proper name to your variable that has been declared. Most of the people use GR, which is not recommended by ServiceNow, but ServiceNow never explained why it is not recommended. So this has something to do with your memory and the same session. We can cover that in future videos. So once this happens, I need to add a link to the parent incident. So now I am going to frame a URL. So the URL starts like this. First of all, code tags, then anchor tag comes into picture, and after the anchor tags I need to so what's that property which can give me the link of the instance? So the property is glide dot servlet dot URI. Okay, and then I can again go back. I'll add a slash, then I need to specify the table name. So since I'm talking about the parent ticket, I think the table name would be same. So we can simply do that current dot get table name, or I can simply hard code it by typing the incident. So either ways it can be done. Now from here I'm going to pass the sys id, okay, and the sys id is already available to us in the parent inc field. Okay, so once the sys id is passed, then what else? By specifying the target attribute, I am just letting know that I want this link to be open in a new tab, not the same tab. So now my link is almost ready. I just need to specify what would be the ticket number over here. So the ticket number would be current dot number. Now this is done. After this, I just need to close out the anchor tags if I have not already. So this closes my anchor tags. Now what is remaining? I started the code tags, but I have not closed my code tags. So let's close the code tags as well. Now, okay. So my incident URL is ready, wherein this will take care of the URL part, table name, and then the sys ID. So I guess the sys ID should be parent record sys ID. Sorry for the confusion because we are adding a link to the parent ticket of the current ticket. So then target blank and the number of the current ticket. Then we can also add some kind of a text that makes a little bit sense, because adding just a link to the work notes won't make much sense, right? So let's do this incident was closed, nothing else. Then I can add a link to the child ticket. I think this should work fine. Now I can call the update. Let's save it and see if this works out. I'm going to navigate back to the child ticket. So this is the parent ticket, and here I have this child ticket. Let me click on the child ticket link and I'll try to close this child incident. Okay, so let's save this form now. My child incident is closed, and if I go to my parent incident from here, I should be able to see a clickable link in the work notes. Yeah. So this says this incident was closed and this is the ticket number. Let's see if clicking on this ticket number works fine, or am I just making a fool out of everyone watching this video. So it works perfectly fine. So this is how we can add, this is one such use case where we want every child incident closed link on the parent incident. This could be done for uh, customer service management module or a couple of other modules as well in ServiceNow, and there could be other possible use cases also but this is just one of them. And thank you so much for watching.